Omubya mbibuuzo eby'omwaka ogw'2024 urikurira ekitongole ky'ebyobubuuzo mu ihanga ekya Uganda National Examinations Board Mwami Dan Odong yashoborera okwa abeegi abayehandikise kushitama ebibuuzo omu subjects ezirikumanywa nka sciences ezirimu physics, chemistry hamwe na biology bayongeire wagerageranisa n'emyaka y'enyuma. Ouka Dan Odong yashoborera bimwe aha bintu ebiremeisa abeegi kuhika ebibuuzo nk'oku baakubaire nibabihika. Omuri ebi yashoborera ngu abeegi abamwe tibarikubaasa kuvunura ebibuuzo otaireho n'okugira ngu abamwe nibaremwa kuta ebi barikwega omu bibiina omu nkora.
Table 1 gives the statistics of the number of candidates who registered and those that sat for the last 5 years, and the numbers indicated the steady increase and also the drop in a steady decline in the rate of absenteeism.
Bigambo bye Mama Janet Kataha Museveni minisita w'ebyobwegyese omu ihanga yashoborera ku gavumenti yeheireyo kwongera sente omu byobwegyese okukira munonga mu ngenderaho y'ebyobwegyese ensya.
Responsible for higher education, we are going to coordinate our efforts to ensure that we put in place the necessary policy environment to enable the training across higher education subsector become harmonized with curricular and teaching reforms introduced in basic and secondary education levels.
Mama Janet yayonjera yahiga abeegi obutakomyaho emishomo yaabo arikushoborera ngu nibaija kurangirira izooba eri barikuza kutoranamu abo abaraherwe gavumenti aha rurengo rw'amatendekero agahaiguru.
The government has 15 technical colleges that can absorb persons interested in the TVET career path after Senior 6. From those interested in applying for government sponsorship for programs offered at all public universities and other tertiary institutions, including the technical colleges for the academic year, the application window was open from 4th November 2024 to 20th January 2025 by the Public Universities Admissions Board, PUJAB, for the 2025-26 academic year. Hopefully, you took advantage and applied.
Mbibuuzo ebi byashozibwa eri izooba kyashoborerwa ngu abaana b'Abaishiki bakozire munonga bakiza bagenzi baabo Aboojo. Abaana b'Abaishiki 228 abarikukora ebicweka 43 n'obucwekacweka 7 harigana nibo bahikire amashomo goona omu kirikwetwa 3 principal passes wabagerageranisa n'Aboojo obucweka 34 n'obucwekacweka 6 aharigana abatungire principal passes 3. Abeegi abitwagambaho nabo bashoborera kuba basize kuhika ebibuuzo nibyo bimwe.
Bwenu icyo twashemerwa munonga abo kureba ko ya performinga kandi kugira ngo abe nayinda gukora medicine kandi kugira ngo ya performinga je naija kukikora kandi ntumusima munonga abo kwa nata mu effort.
Is it expecting when ninka low expectations nka 13 nka when nko kwa hansi abo kuba when biology nkantera hansi tindajihereze tinahereze paper konka when okureba nka biology B ukushangane na math B.
Abeegi 14,888 abakozire ebigezo by'ekibiina kya Mukaaga by'omwaka oguhire. Abeegi 13,956 nibo bahikire ebibuuzo.
A singular honor and pleasure to release the 2024 USCE examination results for public use, and I thank you. Thank you and God bless you.